Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to verify your age on Telegram. I was tweaking some Telegram settings recently and came across content restrictions, which made me wonder how age verification actually works there. So here's what I found while going through it myself. I opened Telegram web in my browser, logged in, and tapped the menu in the top left corner, then went into settings. From there, I scrolled down to privacy and security, and near the bottom, there's a section for sensitive content. When you enable the option to show 18 plus content, Telegram may require verification depending on your account and region. If that happens, you'll be prompted to confirm your age, sometimes by providing a valid ID like a passport or driver's license. Once that's completed and approved, those restrictions are lifted. It's worth noting that not everyone will see the verification step. It depends on your account setup, but once enabled, basically unlocks content that would otherwise stay hidden, making your Telegram experience a bit more unrestricted. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.